You will learn how to save your identity document information on Google Chrome so that whenever you are filling form online, you don't need to go and start stressing yourself getting those information and filling them manually. The first step you need to take is to launch your Chrome browser. As your browser opens, the next step you need to take is to click on the three dots here. Alright? So once you click on these three dots, you will see a lot of options. And one of them is passwords and autofill. Alright? Click on that. Select identity docs. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this, okay? So it says save and fill identity docs, okay? Document. What that means is that it will help you to autofill some things. Maybe you're filling a form online and they require that, all right? It will fill automatically on the same browser linked to the same Google account. So the next step is to click on add. On clicking on add, select the type of identity. So we have driver's license, we have identity card, and we have passport. Let's go with identity card. Then here, fill your name. Let's say my name here is Godwin Ben, all right? For example, okay, let's say Godwin Mike, so that it will blend with the pen I'm using in writing of my books. Then country, click here and search for your country, okay? So I'm going with Nigeria because I'm a Nigerian. So identity number, let's call this 237615109. So in your own case, please fill your real number. So the date the card was issued to you, let's say February, then 14, and it was issued in the year, let's say 19, okay, 2014, all right? So months for the expiration, let's say it's going to expire January, then the day, January 14, and let's say it's expiring in the year 2028, all right? So that's it. So with this, you can click on save. So once this information is saved, whenever you're filling a form and it requires your identity card, this will be automatically filled. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. See you some other time.